Welcome back. The Election Commission has asked the states and the union territories to prepare flaw-free and error-free electoral rolls in view of the 2014 Lok Sabha polls. Commission issued a letter to the State Chief Electoral Officer on Sunday. Sources say after a severe debacle in the recent 4 state assembly polls, the Congress is reworking its poll strategy to face the polls in April-May after presenting the railway and union budget.
The Central Election Commission is preparing itself for the upcoming Lok Sabha polls. The directions were issued to the state electoral officers on Sunday through a letter dated 11th December. The Commission has stressed on the accurate and error-free polls. The letter has instructions for preparing flawless electoral rolls. However, considering CEC's direction of error-free and flawless electoral rolls, the real challenge before the state election machinery during the upcoming polls would be to filter out the thousands of voters having Portuguese citizenship. The Election Commission has already filtered out 6,000 such voters. Sources say Congress is having a relook at its strategy to face the general elections after a severe poll debacle in 4 states. The polls will likely be held in April-May next year after presentation of the fresh railway and the union budget. The CEC also said the new Lok Sabha would be formed by June 1, 2014. Around 78 crore people are likely to cast their votes at over 8 lakh polling booths using over 12 lakh electronic voting machines in the general elections. Bureau Report, Prudent.
They appreciate me but do not support me. This is a story of lone lady conductor in the state. She complained that being a lady, her colleague bus operators harass her over the scheduled trips and timings. She wants to run her business freely without nuisance.
Angela Coutinho, she claims to be the lone lady conductor in the state. Her bus runs on Margao to Talauli route. This is her day-to-day schedule since last 9 years. Angela claims that her fellow colleagues trouble her over the bus trips and timings.
Yeah, nearly 9 years zali anga basir asta. And I'm trying my best to serve the people, to help the people ashkon. And maka focus harassment hasa dusre bakicher basicho. वयतात पॅसेंजर देव वयता आनी रोकडे परत आमी येता रोकडे टर्न मारता कोणे हाले घेता आनी आमी येता परत पण येता म्हणल्यार म्हाजे फुडें ती दुसरी गाडी हांगासून टर्न मारून वयता समटायम केडीसी वसत ना म्हाजे फाटल्यान हाती तर टायम खूब डिले करता इतले.
Angela claims that she has complained with the RTO on number of occasions, but the solution doesn't last long.
हे 2-3 पावटी हांवें RTOक सांगलेले येयल्या सांगलेल्या टायमाक येवन चॅक केला RTO ना न्हू पण ते म्हणटा आपण परत परत कशें येवं एवरी टायम कंप्लेन केल्ले पावटी आपण परत परत तुमची ड्युटी करपाची येता ते 1-2 पावटी तेन्ना वयता ते मागीर बंद जाले परत ते सेम.
Angela is living her life the way she wants. Running a private bus itself is a big challenge for her. People appreciate her, but nobody comes out in support.
But they appreciate my work, but they don't want to come front to help me.
Sameer Bhatt for Prudent.
The Cuncolim municipality has begun work for a commercial complex project aiming at shifting the shops alongside of NH17 in Cuncolim market. The complex will be constructed on the land adjoining to the municipal office. The plan has been passed by the South Goa Urban Development Authority recently.
The National Highway 17 overtime has thinned down in the Cuncolim market, resulting in frequent traffic jams. Cuncolim municipality has begun construction of a commercial complex in Cuncolim to shift the shops alongside of the National Highway. This will decongest the National Highway 17 to a great extent. The municipality has committed to give all the facilities to the market shop owners in the complex.
We have a land over opposite to Woodpee Hotel here in Cuncolim Bazar, and we will send one proposal for the commercial building, and G Suda already sanctioned it, approved it, the plan. In that project, we are trying to rehabilitate all the shops which is adjacent to the national highway and MDR road, and we will try to convince them, and we will give them a good facility in this building. We will see that no traffic congestion over there, and we will put an island over there.
The municipality has also decided to start a multiplex theatre in the same commercial complex.
Now we have planned to construct one more floor because of there is no multiplex here in Cuncolim.
Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.